Hello, welcome to BSMA Europe TV. BSMA Live Studio is live here in La Hulpe, Brussels. Happy to be with you. You can follow us on YouTube and on Facebook. We're here with 200 guests, and with me today Mr. Marc Dechamps from CEBR, Biowin, and Mr. Thomas Panzer from Bayer. So we'll directly turn to Mr. Dechamps. So Marc, happy to be with you today. Can you tell us about some challenges for biomanufacturing in Europe over the last months?
And certainly during the COVID-19 pandemic. Actually, we were very involved in supporting also the European Commission for the production of the vaccines, COVID-19 vaccines and the COVID-19 therapeutics recently. Because, as you know, it was really a big emergency with regard to vaccination and protection of our citizens. And another thing which was really important to develop, and together with EITL, CIT Manufacturing, we developed landscaping of biomanufacturing all across Europe, just to try to identify, I would say, the opportunities, also the pain points or the challenges we are facing today with the biomanufacturing, including the supply chain, in the context of bioproduction, in the context of bioproduction of vaccines, therapeutics, and so on, and also in the context of the future creation of the ERA authorities.
Yeah, big new challenges for you. Thank you very much.
Pleasure.
Turn the mic to Thomas. So, Thomas, can you tell us, for the industry, the pharmaceutical and biotech industry in Europe, what supply chain challenges we are currently facing? And can you tell us about some examples that you're seeing and next challenges maybe?
Yeah, thank you for having me here. And I think it's not only true for Europe, but globally. What we see are the trends, especially in the field of biotech, to smaller patient communities. To get closer to the patient, we need shorter lead times. And as an industry, we have the challenge to get, on the one hand, more resilience because we have a very volatile environment. And I think also the volatility will increase over the next years and decades. And to become more resilient, we need to get more agile. So one of the biggest enablers for agility is, from my perspective, a higher degree of digitalization, which enables us to really implement an end-to-end supply chain. And by doing that, creating more opportunities to get full transparency of what we are doing, to enable us to do simulations and then also to increase the speed of decision making, which is one of the important enablers to get more agile and also more resilient.
Thank you very much. May I ask to the two of you, what can play BSMA in that perspective? What can be the interest of having an organization such as BSMA?
I can certainly start because continuing on the collaborative work we are doing with the European Commission for the moment, we are trying to check the feasibility of creating a smart prototype based on artificial intelligence algorithm able to detect as soon as possible any disruption in the chain for the production of essential medicines, production of vaccines, and production of, I would say, therapeutics for the patients. And there definitely we are very pleased to have involved BSMA in the work today, because we need experts and the network of BSMA as well in order to really understand what are the data we could actually identify for feeding actually the prototype and the right level of data actually. Because it's not that easy. Everybody, and Thomas could certainly comment on that, has a lot of data, but data are not really public and not really available. So how can we make sure that moving forward, as a region and potentially globally, we could identify and possibly anticipate any disruption in the supply chain?
Thank you very much.
And I can really subscribe what you said and also build on that. I think what we learned out of this crisis and in this volatile environment is that collaboration downstream as well as upstream is essential to be successful. So we need partners and very strong and long-lasting and sustainable partnerships which have full transparency of the business models. And what can BSM contribute to that is, I think it's a great network opportunity to bring partners together and work successfully together on this common goal to serve the patient in a better way.
Thank you very much. I would like to thank you for your both interventions. Thank you very much, and we'll go to our next speakers in a couple of seconds. Thank you again.